The number one reason people don't wax their car is because it's too time consuming. 3D has the solution, 3D Express Wax. As the name implies, 3D Express Wax is fast and easy. It can be used as a drying aid when washing your car or when the car is already clean and dry. After washing and rinsing your car, but before drying, mist a spray of 3D Express Wax onto a body panel and then dry your car. Water will wipe off faster and easier and leave your car protected with a layer of Montan Wax with that insane gloss everyone loves. For a car already clean, mist a spray of 3D Express Wax onto a body panel and then spread with a clean, soft microfiber towel. Then buff to a high shine. In less than 20 minutes, you can protect your car's finish while creating that eye-dazzling show car shine. Taking care of your automotive companion has never been faster or easier with 3D Express Wax.